Our Get Into programmes with the Prince's Trust are designed really to give young people an opportunity to get into work in certain sectors within Wales. A number of those sectors would be construction, health, food manufacturing, and we try and aim them in sectors where we believe there are jobs and where there's outcomes for the young people to move on, or possibly even further education. We have a lot of different young people that join our programmes, and their barriers can be very different. Some people it's confidence, some people it's breaking into a certain sector, but for a lot of the young people it's actually getting skills and work experience in those specific areas.
When I was unemployed, you just had a drained feeling. It's like there's nothing to get up for. You go to the job centre, it's a continuous same thing all the time, and there's hardly no jobs out there, and it's just upsetting. It puts a strain on you. Never thought I'd get a job like this. I really didn't. When the equipment comes down from theatres, we clean them down, check the parts are all not damaged, then we pack them up and they go into sterilisers, and they go back up to theatre then for the next operation. Before I had this job, I was unemployed, so I couldn't do anything. I couldn't enjoy myself, couldn't go out with my girlfriend or my friends, so there's nothing much I could do, and the confidence it's given me is just at another level.
We work in challenging times in the NHS, so for people to be putting themselves out to actually, you know, coach and mentor these young people, it is just wonderful to witness. And I think you have that sense of giving back, and I really feel it's an excellent example of how Will Our Health Board addressing its social responsibility in the community.
All our programmes contain an element of training and work experience, and this really does enable our young people to enter into further education, but more importantly into real jobs.
Llanelli Valley employs approximately 370 employees within the Gwent Valleys, and we produce frozen and chilled foods for distribution across the UK. We've been really pleased to be involved with the Prince's Trust, and I think it's actually allowed us to identify some young individuals locally who would like to work here. So it's been great to work with the local community and help them develop their skills, and hopefully they could be potential employees in the future.
The work pace is just really different from being unemployed, and you can get a self-satisfaction from that. Previously I couldn't get that stuff. I mean, I was almost lost, and now I just feel a heck of a lot better because I get home and I'm tired, and I just feel just stimulated. The
thing with the Get Into programme is that it actually puts young people in a position where they can interact with supervisors and managers who employ, and the partnership works really well because in most cases it's the delivery partner who would actually potentially be employing these young people at the end. Through European funding we've been able to work with hundreds of young people this year, and we love to continue doing it because it really is changing young people's lives.